Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add a signature to a PDF file using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Open your PDF file. Now click on this tools option and scroll down. Here you will find this fill and sign option. Click here and this is sign yourself option. You can also request e-signature. This is digital signature. I will not add digital signature. I will add normal signature. Click this sign yourself and select add signature. Click on this plus icon. Now you can type your name or your signature name and you name type. Also you can draw signature. Here you can draw a name signature and so on. Also you can add image signature if you want and so on. Now I'll add this drawing signature and simply select apply and put your mouse cursor where you want to, and this is. Now you can increase decrease the signature size and click the three dot option. Here you can change signature color, red color, and see this. Yeah, this is. In this we can add signature in your PDF file. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comments.